being successful on the inside means if I get what I wish for, I will be happy. If I don't get what I wish for, I will be happy. So it's like you will be happy regardless of what you get or not. जब आप डिस्टर्ब्ड हैं अंदर से, जब आप मेंटली एग्जॉस्टेड हैं, यूनिवर्स वर्क्स ऑन टू प्रिंसिपल्स. फर्स्ट इट इज़ लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एंड सेकंड इज़ लॉ ऑफ कर्मा. जैसे ही मैं अपलोड बटन क्लिक करता हूँ, आई फील अ सडन रश ऑफ हैप्पीनेस विद इन मी कि आई एम मूविंग ऑन इन माई लाइफ. लाइक यू नो, आई एम मूविंग अहेड. व्हाट्स लेफ्ट इज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, बट I have to move forward with peace. I have to move forward with dignity and maybe contribute to the world in my own little way. अगर मेरे वीडियोस देख के किसी को भी 5 मिनट के लिए शांति मिलती है, that is my success. So even if one person feels that I am successful, ये एक सिचुएशन ले लेते हैं कि वो एक इंसान भी नहीं है, तो now how do I know that I am successful or not? I will know that I'm successful or not the moment I do my karma. My little bit of energy goes out in the universe. As I also rewatch my content, I will get a lot of peace within myself because it's me who is speaking to myself now. So I get to listen to what I think actually when I'm stable, when I'm calm. It gives me a sense of purpose because I'm listening to my ideal version. Every time you create something, your intention has to be very pure. The version that I would want to be. The peaceful, the calm, the optimistic, the one who moves ahead in life. Happiness is never destination. Happiness is always in the journey. So if you're not able to stay content or if you're not able to stay happy right now and do the best that you can right now with the right intention, with a pure mindset, then things may not be the same for you in future as well. Comparison का कुछ basis होना चाहिए ना. Two different souls, two different people. But जब हमारे कर्म मैच नहीं करते, हमारे एक्शंस मैच नहीं करते, जब हमारा इंटेंशंस में भी अलग हैं, जब हमारी फीलिंग्स एंड थॉट्स मैच नहीं कर सकते, हाउ कैन यू इवन कंपेयर टू पीपल लाइक दैट? राइट? कंपैरिजन एक्चुअली हैज नो बेसिस इन लाइफ एंड सक्सेस फॉर मी इज हैप्पीनेस. वी ऑल वर्क टुवर्ड्स बीइंग हैप्पी. Happiness is not something that can be sought. All learn different lessons, right? एक लेसन एक बार सीख लिया, उसके बाद में why do we do something that makes us relearn the same lesson again? You will attract the right people, the right opportunities, the right environments. Being success is being happy and being peaceful. अंदर से calm, clean energy है, so that reflects in your aura. And we should not give other people the control of what we feel. Self-love is a practice. It's not a one-day event. No one else is the creator of your destiny. You yourself are the creator of your own destiny. जब आप बहुत सारा इमोशनल पावर बाहर दे देते हैं, तो पावर और कंट्रोल किसके पास लाया करेगा? बाहर ही लाया करेगा. But when you give emotional control of yourself back to yourself, you will be able to change, right? And you will change the way you think. Every time things don't work out as I planned, you have to say to yourself that whatever is happening for the good. And it's meant to teach you something. So change the way you speak to yourself. स्वस्थ रहें, खुश रहें.